Angry protesters took to the streets of St. Louis this evening after a judge acquitted a former police officer of first-degree murder in the shooting death of a drug suspect. Dean Reynolds is there.
Security was heavy in St. Louis today as the city dealt with protests over the latest acquittal of a white cop in the killing of a black man.
No justice, no peace.
Former St. Louis patrolman Jason Stockley was charged with murder in the 2011 shooting of Anthony Lamar Smith. The incident, caught on multiple cameras, occurred after a high-speed chase and a collision. Stockley called it self-defense against a suspected drug dealer. Smith, he said, was pulling a gun on him. Prosecutors countered that Stockley, seen here, retrieved a .38 caliber revolver from the backseat of his police car and planted the weapon in Smith's car moments after shooting him 5 times, and that the gun bore only the policeman's prints. But Judge Timothy Wilson said he was not convinced of Stockley's guilt. And as for Smith, the judge wrote that an urban heroin dealer not in possession of a firearm would be an anomaly. Al Watkins represents Smith's fiancée, Christina Wilson.
I find the ultimate disposition, the ruling, to be appalling.
Neil Buntrager is Stockley's defense attorney.
And at the end of the day, the court applied the right standards and to the facts, and they came up with the right conclusion.
The demonstrations today have been loud and increasingly confrontational. Stockley is the 4th officer in 4 months to be acquitted of murder charges involving a black victim. Anthony?
Dean Reynolds in St. Louis tonight. Thanks.